Today we are going to make handmade folders. Watch this video till the end. Don't forget to hit the like button and comments below. Do subscribe me at AISHMINDIY my channel. Hello my dear relatives. If you are near here, I am Aishmin and welcome to my channel Aishmin DIY. Now let's get started. The apple and the pencil DIY folder. I upload one video every Friday at 5 PM. Don't miss that. The list of the material is given in the description box. If you like this idea, then do hit the like button and comments below #1. Do subscribe me at AISHMINDIY, my channel, and hit the bell button. Don't forget to comments below if you like this video or not. The question of the day is which folder you like the most. Do comments. Keep watching, keep sharing. Bye bye, take care, live your dreams.